everyone, and welcome to our next lesson, which is linear equations and inequalities in one variable. Our most essential learning competencies are: the learner solves problems involving algebraic expressions. Second, differentiates algebraic expressions, equations, and inequalities. And last but not the least, illustrates linear equation and inequality in one variable. Let's begin our discussion by reading the introduction. In the previous lesson, you translate verbal phrases to mathematical symbols which become an algebraic expression. In grammar, a phrase does not express a complete thought, only sentence does. Similarly, in mathematics, a mathematical phrase or expression does not express a complete thought, only mathematical sentence does. Mathematical sentence makes use of relational symbols like equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. If the mathematical sentence uses equal sign, then it is an equation. Otherwise, it is an inequality. Word problems can be solved if you will translate it into an equation or inequality. An equation is a mathematical sentence that shows two equal expressions. 3x plus 5, which is equal to 20, is an equation. The left side of equation, 3x plus 5, must be equal to the right side of the equation, which is 20. 3x plus 5 is equal to 20 is an example of a linear equation in one variable. A linear equation is in the form of ax plus b, which is equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not equal to 0. An equation may either be true or false. 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10, is a true equation since 8 plus 2 is really 10. 2x plus 5, which is equal to 15, is an equation that can either be true or false, depending on the value of x. There is only one value of x that will make the equation true. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that shows two unequal quantities. One might be greater or lesser than the other. 5 greater than 1 is a true inequality. 2x plus 1 less than 10 may be true or false depending on the values of x. More than one value of x can make the inequality true. You have to interpret or translate word problems correctly to be able to solve equation or inequality. So let's have the examples. First example, the sum of three consecutive integers is 57. Consecutive means that the next number must 1 greater than the previous. If x represents the number, the next number is x plus 1. This is 1 greater than x. The third number is x plus 1 plus 1, also 1 greater than the previous. When simplified, it is x plus 2. Hence, the three consecutive integers are represented by x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. The equation is x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2, which is equal to 57. Another example, Angel's age is twice the age of Gideon 5 years ago. The sum of their age now is 35. So we can represent the age in tabular form. Let's have Gideon age now is X, and age of Gideon 5 years ago is X minus 5. And Angel age now is 2 times X minus 5, which is equal to 2 times X is 2X. Then 2 times negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Therefore, Angel's age now is 2X minus 10. And Angel's age 5 years ago is 2X minus 15. Therefore, the equation that we have is X plus 2X minus 10, which is equal to 35. For the third example, AJ drives her car 50 kilometers per hour. After 30 minutes, her father followed her, driving another car at 60 kilometers per hour. How long will it take for the father to be at the side of her daughter? Remember that the formula for distance is d, which is equal to r times t, where r is the rate or speed and t is the time. So using the tabular form, we're going to get the rate of EJ, which is 50 kilometers per hour, and the rate of his father is 60 kilometers per hour. And the time is represented as t for EJ, and for his father is t minus 1/2. Therefore, their distance for EJ is 50 times t is equal to 50t, and for his father is 60 times t minus 1/2. Note, 30 minutes is 1/2 hour. Therefore, there is a point where EJ and the father will be beside each other before he can overtake her. Therefore, they cover the same distance. Therefore, our equation is equal to d sub 1, which is equal to d sub 2, which is 50t, which is equal to 60 times t minus 1/2. Our fourth example, the difference between 6 times the number and 8 is greater than 15. Let x be the number, 6 times the number be 6x. The difference between 6 times the number and 8 is 6x minus 8. Greater than means that the problem is an inequality problem. Inequality is equal to 6x minus 8, which is greater than 15. Next example, 10 divided by twice the number is less than 1/4. Let x be the number, twice the number 2x. 10 divided by twice the number is 10 over 2x. Inequality is equal to 10 over 2x less than 1/4. Another example, Choi's monthly commission plus monthly salary of 15,000 pesos is at most 20,000 pesos. Choi's commission is X. At most means it can be equal to or less than. Inequality is X plus 15,000, which is less than or greater than 20,000. Last example, Elise's score in 3 of the 4 quizzes in math are 80, 78, 90. What score must she get on the 4th quiz to have an average of at least 85? Let X be the 4th score. Average score is to add the 4 scores divided by 4. At least means equal to or greater than. Inequality that we have is 80 plus 78 plus 90 plus x divided by 4, which is greater than or equal to 85.